Unlock the full potential of your online store with the ultimate Shopify theme solution. Introducing Superstore, the revolutionary theme designed for both large and small businesses. With over 25 sections and 4 stunning presets, customization has never been easier. Superstore's flexible design options allow you to match your branding effortlessly. Make your products stand out with powerful filtering and seamless navigation tools. Drive your sales with dynamic promotional features that captivate and engage customers. Experience the ease of managing a vast inventory while keeping your storefront elegant. Don't just take our word for it, over 4,000 merchants trust Superstore for their success. Our dedicated support team is always ready to help you with any minor hiccups. Elevate your online business today with Superstore, where flexibility meets functionality.